everyone and welcome to SETU100. I hope you all are doing great. Here in this video, I'm going to explain species survival squared app. So basically this app is related to the wildlife animals over there. So let's get started to have a look of the output of a project. So there are some species photographs available, which is like in the zone of endangered. So here, if you make a click any of the images, you will be lead you on the result.
There are currently less than 13 white lions living in the wild. Interestingly, this coincided with our introduction of Mara and her cubs into free-roaming bushveld conditions in the heart of their endemic territories.
So here we have attached the speech option, and if you want to open the website which is related to this species, you can go and study more information about of these species over there. So today we are going to make this project. So for that one, I have opened a student link, and let's make a click on a remix and let's get started to make it work over here. So in this, as you can see, nothing is related, nothing is code is given over here. So as you know, the design and coding, we have to make it complete to make one successful app. So first we will work on the designing part. So you can see over here, there are three main screens. So it is a main screen. So it is a label where we have display the title of the app. Now here it is an image. Now we need one button to start this app. So that is why we have used one button with the name of start button. And on the text, I'm going to write it down like let's play. And any other abbreviation, whatever you want to write, you can write it down. I can increase the font size to make it visible like this. And that is done. Now after that, we are going to make selection of the animal screen. So in this screen, as you can see, the four images are available. We have to add two more images. So I'm adding one images. I'm increasing the size of it like this. And I'm just going to choose the next animal, which is the red panda. And here I'm just going to change the name of it as well. That is the red panda image. Like this. So we have to change the ID. Do not forget to change the ID. That will help us to put up a code. Now I'm going to drag one more image over there. And I'm going to increase the size of it. And this time I'm going to choose another animal, which is the sloth over there. You have to choose it and put it over there like this. And here I'm just going to change it. That is the sloth image like this. Now after that, we have to go on the result screen and let's see how much option is not available on the result screen. So this is the title label. So whatever the image you have selected, that name is going to be displayed over here. Now there is a description. We are going to attach some description about that as well. Now here I'm going to take one image also. So in this image, it's going to display the particular image that you have selected. So that is why we have changed the IT with the name of related image, whatever you are going to select. And after that, I'm going to attach one button. So that button is going to connect through the website that we are going to attaching it over here. So let me take the website and you can say that like we are using a URL button in form. Then on the button, it's going to display like open website like this. Now, at this point, the designing has been completed. Now, let's go make a click on a codes and let's get started to put up the codes over here. So we will get started with the main screen. So in the main screen, only one button is given. So we have to clearly put the code for the start button that we have made. So once the start button is getting clicked, then we have to take an option of set screen. That is the animal screen. Once you go and make selection of an animal screen now, there are six images available. So we will put the codes, all of the images one by one. So first, let's make the code for the owl images. So for that one, we have to go and take an on event option. And first, I'm going to take the owl image. So from the ID section, we are going to select if the owl image is getting clicked, then it will lead you on the result screen. So set the screen on the result screen, and let's go and make selection of a result screen. In the title label, it's going to display the name of the image. So that is why you are going to set the text of the title label. So let's go and set the text and select title label. Here, the text is going to be selected. That is the white owl, like this. Now, after that, we are going to settle down the text of the description label. So you have to go and select the description area. Now, what we are going to select it over here. So that we need to search a little bit. So over here, I'm going to write it down a white owl and then search about it something over here. So we will take a lot of descriptions about over here, and whatever you like, you can select and copy, and you are going to pasting it over here like this. Now, after completion of the description area, you are going to set this image as well. So this image is related to the set image URL, and the name of this image is related image, and you are going to settle it down along with that the white owl. So like this. Now, inside it, I want to attach the play speech option as well. So let me take a play speech option over here, and what it is going to play in the female and English. So it's going to play whatever is the description is given. So that is why this time you're going to take the option of get text and keep it over there where the hello world is written, and make selection of a description area. Now, whatever is written over there in the description area, every time related picture, if you select it, it's going to play that speech over there. Now, inside it, you are going to take a on event and take a option of URL open button. So here I'm just going to take a button that is URL button. So if I make a click on it, so of course it's going to open a URL. Now which URL, it's up to you, whatever the site you want to connect. So I want to connect one site, like let's take this one. So once you have to select a website, then this is the URL of the website. You have to click on it. One blue line is coming over there. That means it is selected. Either you can use the part of Control and C, or you can make a right click and copy. Once it is done, you have to go back on the app lab. And over here, you have to use a Control and V, or you can use right click and pasting over there like this. So like this, the first part is getting started working. So let's go and let's try it out. This is working or not. So I have run it. Play. Yes, this is working. Owl. As you can see, everything is
White
there.
owls symbolize change, transformation, and inner wisdom. The color white also symbolizes purity and innocence, representing light, cleanliness, brilliance, spiritual.
So everything is working along with this, the owl. Now we have to make all of the images to be working. So simply you are going to select the codes that you have made for the owl image. Use Control and C, because in this section, right click is not going to be work. Shorthands you have to use. So Control and C you have to use for copy, and Control and V you have to use for pasting over there. And at that point, the second one is the tiger image. So you have to select a tiger image, and the title you have to change it with the white tiger, and over here you have to change the description. So you have to open a new tab and select the description, select the ID, select the new URL over there. So it's going to be work in the terms of white tiger. So over here, by keep repeating all the steps again and again, we have make it complete this codes for all the images for the tiger, bear, white lion, panda, and the sloth. So like this, you can make it complete, and again, you can search for the URL and keep it over there, whatever the website you wants to attach it over there. So I hope you're getting the concept, how this is going to be work, how we can connect the images to the result screen over there, how we are using the URL of the website to attach with your app. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. See you by the next time. Bye-bye.